Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking device. It looks like a toy. Really, it looks like a toy, but it is a cool tool. This is a KNIPEX 169501 SB tool. This is an ErgoStrip metric size right-handed version. That means for a fast and precise dismantling and stripping of all common round and damp-proof installation cables. For example, NYM cables 3 to 1.5 millimeter in square, up to 5 to 2.5 millimeter in square. Data cables, for example, twisted pairs and coax cable. Innovative ergonomic pistol grip design for easy cutting, stripping and longitudinal cut of the sheath. Really cool. Stripping drives for 11 up to 24 AWG, 0.2, 0.3, 0.8, 1.5, 2.5, 4 millimeter in square. Simplified inserting of single wires for stripping using location rigets, with opening spring and locking a lever. Easy inserting of a coax and a data cable thanks to the opening 8. Multi-component design with a soft plastic zoned for comfortable and a secure grip. You see, that thing here is really cool. The KNIPEX SB Tools ErgoStrip is for metric wire only. Cable from 8 up to 13 millimeter. Coax cables from 4.8 up to 7.5 millimeter. Cat 5 up to 7. Twisted pair, UTP and STP. And constructors and strands. And easy insertion. You can easy peasy get the cables into position, and we have 2 blades located at the front of the tool to remove outer sheath of NYM cables, multi-component design with a soft plastic zone, and a good grip, as you can see. Oh yeah, that tool is easy to open and it's easy to secure. Thumb breadth area for a firm grip of the tool is included. Cable stripping knife for easy longitudinal cutting for a cable sheath is possible. For metric wires, right-handed operation, the tool nominal length is 5.25 inches, the tool wide is 1.5 inches, the tool height is 1 inch. You see, it's a compact but big enough tool to make a good job. This is the KNIPEX tools. Dismantling tool. This is ideal for fast and precise stripping of all common round and damp-proof installation cables. And of course, on top, data cables and the coaxial cables. This tool is designed for wires and approximately conversion from 11 up to 24 AWG. The ErgoStrip features an innovative ergonomical nice grip design for easy stripping, cutting, and longitudinal cut of the sheet. It has conical, slimmed down tool ends for better access in confined areas. Simplified insertion for a single wire using location rigets, and easy inserting of a coax and a data cable thanks to the opening 8. The multi-component design has plastic zones for comfortable use and secure grip. The housing is made from stable glass fiber reinforced plastic. You see, KNIPEX make the good job here, and KNIPEX is a brand which comes to the electronic basement. And KNIPEX is a German manufacturer of pliers and pliers wrenches and other tools, as you can see, distributed for global sales. Its tools are principally for professional use in various trades. But they are also increasingly popular for DIY and EDC use as well, of course. For 4 generations, KNIPEX has been an independent owner management family company. Its headquarters are located in Wuppertal, Kroneberg. And the program currently comprises approximately 100 types of pliers, totaling more than 900 different variants in terms of length, shape, and finish. These include commonly used types of pliers such as combination pliers, side cutters, and water pump pliers, as well for more specialist pliers for use in electrical and plumbing installation and electronics. And here the main feature is, of course, the electronic part, because KNIPEX made here a really good job with that KNIPEX ErgoStrip. Easy peasy, the KNIPEX 169501 SB tool ErgoStrip with metric size, right-handed version, makes a good job not only for DIY, this is for DIY and for professional use. That's possible with the ErgoStrip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.